Hello, priceless and powerful women of God. I'm Debbie Adebayo, and I just want to take a few minutes to share with you about our 15th annual Priceless and Powerful Women's Conference. The theme this year is going to be Restore My Soul. And I believe that the Spirit of God is going to show up and show out, and there's going to be healing and deliverance and encouragement for women of God that are struggling in the area of their soul. You're struggling to find peace. You're dealing with anxiety. You're dealing with fear and doubt and worry and grief and mental illnesses of depression are challenging you, and other types of mental illnesses. They've diagnosed you with bipolar or panic disorder. Whatever the soul challenge, I believe that God wants to use this conference to minister to you and to set you free. And so we want you to register. It's going to be March 9th. It's going to be held at the Doubletree Alsip. We have an early bird registration until February 12th, so you want to take advantage of that. I also want to let you know about the speakers and some of the things that you can expect. I'm hosting, our leadership team is hosting it, the Women's Discipleship and Accountability. But in addition to that, we're going to have a speaker. Her name is Joycelyn Jones Glover. And Joycelyn is an author, she's a speaker, she's president of a counseling company. She is an ordained minister, but most of all, she has a powerful testimony of being healed and set free from a soul that has dealt with worry, anxiety, grief, and trauma. And God has raised her up during this season to help other women that are addressing those issues. One of the things that will be very special that Joycelyn has agreed to share with us is she's been recently married. She's still a newlywed, and she is walking through the journey of what emotional health means in a marriage. And so she's going to be sharing with you transparently, as women of God, how healthy does your soul need to be in order to experience a healthy marriage, and what you can do to get your soul ready for marriage. In addition to that, we have three trained professional therapists that are going to be doing a panel discussion and helping you to navigate through the world of therapy and coaching. And so they're going to be talking to you about when you need a therapist, how you know you need a therapist, how to select a therapist, how to work with your therapist. And these are professionally trained women of God that do therapy as their life's calling. So you want to participate in that. You'll be able to ask questions and get your questions answered about navigating through the world of therapy and coaching. And then we also have some powerful testimonies of women that have been delivered from panic attacks and have been emotionally traumatized by rape and molestation, and they've been set free by the power of God, and they're going to share their journey with you. There'll also be a time of personal ministry, and I'm believing God to show up with the power of God that really sets the captive free. And so if you want your soul restored, if you want your soul encouraged, if you got a healthy soul and you just want to have it maintained and be around women of like precious faith, then we invite you March 9th to the Doubletree Alsep for the Singles Pleasing the Lord, Restore My Soul, Priceless and Powerful Single Women's Conference. And for those of you that would say, but I'm not single, we'd say that's all right. You're welcome. And we believe that God will minister to you too. So register now. Take advantage of that early bird registration. Remember, the early bird gets the worm. It's going to be through February 12th, that early bird registration will be available to you. Visit now, SinglesPleasingTheLord.com, and get registered. I am so excited, and I can't wait to see you all. God bless you.